So for this one I can use this Leatherman, which is just perfectly fitting the pivot on this Lynx. Look at that, comes out like a charm. And here you go, pivot is out. Then we're gonna need a T6, I said, probably. Let me see, T6, boom, that's this T6. We're gonna tackle this side of the handle just nicely, gently, and that is 1, and that's 2. Nice liner lock, flipper, a little bit thin pocket clip, reversible. All right, so let's just open this guy up like that, wiggle a little bit the scale, and boom, you are in business. Look at that, multi-row bearings over here, and the pivot is out. Beautiful. A little bit of rubbing alcohol and a microfiber cloth are gonna do the job in this case. So let's get started. So here you can clean all the inside of these titanium liners, very light, combined with the carbon fiber over here, and you get yourself some clean liner number 1. Let me see, do I need to remove this? Well, there's the clip over here. You know what? Clip can stay there, not a big deal. I'm just gonna clean all over the place here, inside. Nice that they put ceramic ball bearings and stainless steel spacers. That's a good thing to do, because you get titanium liners, which is a pretty soft material after all, softer than ceramic for sure. And here you can clean nicely all the crevices, all the tang of the blade, the bearing pockets, and let's clean the blade itself. And that is done, guys. You got also a nice keyed in pivot, and the stop pin also clean. Let's also clean this guy over here. So we are all cleaned. All right. And let's also clean this side over here. Beautiful. So now let's go backwards. Stop pin in. This pivot is keyed in only from this side, so that's going to be more or less like that. This guy is in like so. You got like 1, 2, and 3 drops of nano oil, 10 weight. I like to do a little bit denser nano oil for the detent ball, and you got yourself the blade in, the bearing is in as well, and 1, 2, and 3 drops, and then you are pretty much done. Look at that. That's interesting. The pivot is a little bit smaller. There you go. Nicely keyed in, so that's not gonna go anywhere. Release the tension, release the blade. This guy is in all the way. Let's start from the handle. In this case, we got some stainless or at least steel screws. Let's just always be gentle, especially with these T6 guys. It's very likely to risk to mar them. There you go. So that is in. Make sure it's tight, but do not overdo it. That's plenty. All right, flip it over. Take some blue Loctite. This is not needed anymore. We're gonna need this guy like that. Look at this. And see, just a tiny amount. It's gonna do the trick. And then like so, you just tighten the pivot back. So Now I'm just gonna release the tension, so it's like that, and I'm gonna just do all the way down. I already can say it's super tight. So let's see. Exactly. So blade looks pretty centered to me. Oh, guys, attention, please. Oh, very interesting. Ay la la. Guys, we got ourselves a pretty nice action. Ooh. Very smooth, snappy. Oh yeah. I wish they had milled out a little bit more area here. I mean, you can still close it, but I'm telling you guys, one of the best actions from a budget knife, relatively budget knife. I mean, S35 VN. You got some carbon fiber, some titanium, nice grip, but I'm telling you, this action, it's been improved. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.